Let's talk about something that completely changed my life, turning my passions into income. As someone who runs 4 businesses, I'm an insurance agent, I own a retail business, I invest in property, and I run this YouTube channel. Every single one of those started with an interest, an idea, a skill, a curiosity, and over time, I figured out how to turn each one into a revenue stream. Hey there, I'm Jess. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things insurance, business, finance, and productivity. Monetizing your passion can be powerful, and it can also backfire if you're not careful. So today we're talking about why you should consider monetizing your passions and how to actually do it step by step. And the dangers nobody talks about and how to avoid them. Because yes, you can build a business around what you love, but you need to do it wisely. First, the obvious benefit of monetizing your passions is creating a livelihood doing something you enjoy. It just feels different. When I started in insurance, I didn't just see policies. I saw protection. I saw families building security. I saw financial literacy changing lives. When we started our retail business, it wasn't just a store. It was creativity, branding, customer experience, and community. When we bought our first property, it wasn't just an investment, it was an opportunity to build generational wealth. And YouTube, this platform lets me teach, build, and connect, which I hope is impactful. When income aligns with impact, work feels meaningful. But even if you never make it full time, monetizing a passion has benefits. The benefits are, number one, it forces you to get better. When money gets involved, you level up, you refine your skills, improve your communication, and learn marketing. You get comfortable with rejection. Running a business has sharpened my negotiation skills, leadership, systems thinking, and confidence. Monetizing your passion turns a hobby into mastery. Number two, it adds a new layer of challenge in a good way. There's something exciting about testing yourself. Can I build this? Can I sell this? Can I solve a real problem? That challenge builds confidence you can't buy. Number three, money is value exchange. Money flows where value goes. If someone pays you, it means you solved a problem. You saved them time, created convenience, and reduced stress. You helped them grow, and that's powerful. And when you build multiple income streams, you gain autonomy. Autonomy changes everything. Now let's get strategic because passion without strategy is just a hobby. First, be thinking about who you can help. Stop asking, how do I make money doing this? Start asking, who does this help? For example, when I became an insurance agent, I wasn't thinking, how do I sell policies? I was thinking, how can I be of service? How can I educate people on insurance? Because we don't get this education in school. Your income grows when you identify a specific person with a specific need. Next, think about what problem you're solving. Money follows problems. Big problems equals bigger opportunities. Ask yourself, does this save someone time? Does this help them make money? Does this reduce stress? Does this improve their life? Investing in rental real estate solves housing needs. Insurance helps mitigate financial risk. And YouTube helps educate and reduce financial confusion. If you can clearly define the problem you solve, monetization becomes natural. Next, think about how you can combine your skills. This is where the magic happens. One skill alone, competitive. Multiple skills combined, unique. I didn't just become an insurance agent. I combined insurance knowledge, business strategy, communication, marketing, and financial literacy. That combination is what has allowed me to succeed as an agent. Maybe you love fitness and finance, or banking and branding, or organizing and real estate. Layer your interests together. That's how you create a niche. Next, decide how you'll deliver value. You could deliver value in 2 main ways: services or products, or a combination of both. Services trade time for money, products create scalability. Start simple. Services are often easier, then build systems that scale. Next, choose the right audience. This is where people mess up. If you target people who can't afford your service, you're going to struggle. For example, in my insurance business, I'm not marketing to people who don't value protection. In retail, we target customers who appreciate a fun shopping experience with quality and variety. And here's a powerful shift. Businesses spend money differently than individuals. Businesses invest to grow. Individuals spend emotionally. Sometimes the real opportunity isn't selling to consumers, it's selling to other businesses. Now let's talk about the less exciting stuff some may leave out. Turning your passion into a business can remove some of the joy. When something becomes income dependent, pressure to succeed can be really overwhelming. Think deadlines, taxes, marketing, client expectations, and the list goes on. Running multiple businesses means I don't just do what I love. I manage systems and oversee finances. I have to make tough decisions and handle issues as they come up. If you turn your hobby into your only source of income too quickly, you may start resenting it. That's why I believe in multiple income streams, diversification, autonomy, and building gradually. You don't have to quit your job tomorrow. You don't have to bet everything on one idea. You can build strategically. Passion is powerful, but discipline and consistency build wealth. So here's what I hope you heard today. You don't need to invent something brand new or go viral. You need clarity, value, consistency, and you can absolutely turn your passion into profit without losing yourself in the process. Like and subscribe, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.